Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm Mr Fayaz Ahmad kuchay from Baramulla. Today I may discuss CRO, the block diagram of CRO with class 12 students of electronics subject. Dear students, you may be aware what CRO means. CRO means cathode ray oscilloscope. Cathode ray oscilloscope. This is in your syllabus, and it is usually being one of the questions being asked in the examinations. So I may request, advise you people, you all, to give concentration on today's topic. Please. You see that CRO means cathode ray oscilloscope. What is the function of CRO? CRO means is a electronic device, electronic instrument used to vary signal voltages. Or measure the signal voltage with varying time. With the two-dimensional plots. As usual, having two-dimensional plots. The CRO is simply an electronic instrument used to measure the electrical voltage signals with time varying. So the function of CRO is just to draw images on the screen, as I have shown here. Draw this images on different types of images on the screen, in the form of signals. This is CRT of this block diagram of CRO. So CRT means cathode ray tube. This is a cathode ray tube which is being used in this cathode ray oscilloscope. One of the main part, which I have already told you, the CRT is being heart of the cathode ray oscilloscope. Without this CRT, CRO is not able to function. It can't function. It is only due to CRT that CRO functions. You see, I have previously told you that an electron beam comes at a high speed from electron gun. These are what I must say, accelerating anodes. These are accelerating. I have discussed already with you. These are deflecting plates. This is a vertical plate. And this is horizontal plate. In order to keep a signal in different varying positions and throw image on the screen of CRT. So firstly, it's using a vertical attenuator. Vertical attenuator means it reduces the power of signal. It is reducing the power of signal. And secondly, you have, these are all vertical attenuator. This vertical amplifier, these are connected with vertical plates here. So this vertical amplifier, the function of amplifier is to accelerate or what I must say, signal, make signal stronger and produced forward. This is the vertical attenuator. This is reducing the power of signal. Because when you are giving input to it, there is some distortion created, and it reduces such distortion and reduce power of subsignals. And then vertical amplifier, what does it do? It strengthens the signal, This is the signal to go forward. Then you have got delay time. Delay time, it makes a difference in inputs of and outputs. It operates an analog signal whose amplitude varies commonly. So this is your third thing, trigger circuit. What is the trigger circuit doing? It controls the circuit. Overall, it controls the circuit. By the time-based generator, its function is producing varying voltage in particular directions. So you have got horizontal amplifier. It is being connected with horizontal plates here. Horizontal amplifier. It What's the function of amplifier? Amplifier is strengthening the signals, giving strength to the signal. So it's being connected with horizontal amplifier, horizontal deflecting plates, and here vertical amplifier is connected with vertical plates. So this is the block diagram. I have discussed separately all the parts, all the sections of this block diagram, and in the next lecture I may discuss every part of this block diagram separately. I will give a complete description and definitions of the same. You today remind this thing that this is CRT being the heart of this cathode oscilloscope, which I have discussed already. These are the anoding plates, anode accelerating anodes, which accelerates the electron beam to pass through with an acceleration, with a good acceleration. These are deflecting plates which are making electron beam to go through in different varying forms, and then penetrates here on the screen of CRT in the middle in the form of different form of signals. So I may again tell you, this is the CRO block diagram. We are using CRO for measurement of different types of voltage, electrical voltages with varying time, measuring voltages with varying times, with different times, with time. That will do for today. I'm sure that you may have got this block diagram of this CRO clearly and may have followed what I have discussed today. Assalamu alaikum.